You know, I do not know how many of us know the history of the labor movement. Some workers in Australia 167 years ago demonstrated, and they were agitating, instead of working from sunrise to sunset, be allowed at least to work for 8 hours. And that challenge was taken up across the seas in Chicago. And their demonstrations were met with heavy police brutality, which had the opposite effect. I think that sounds familiar. Even so, those who go to celebrate Workers' Day must also know that these things over time have not come in easy. It took people's struggling to get to where we are. Until then, in American society at that time, 167 years ago, the issue was between capital and labor. And of course, as an independent country, we then, in 1963, decided to be part of the international labor movement. And therefore, we always celebrate May Day as a matter of belief. And us in Azimio, we believe this is very important, a very important day. And therefore, I want to take this opportunity to call on our leader, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, to come and make a statement. So thank you for coming. Maybe at the end of it, 1 or 2 questions.